In this video, I will show you how to restore deleted contacts from the recycle bin. Losing important contacts can be frustrating. But don't worry, if you accidentally deleted a contact, it might still be in your device's recycle bin. This is a quick and easy way to get your contacts back. To get started, open up the Contacts app on your Samsung device. This is where all your saved contacts are stored. Next, look for 3 horizontal lines, located at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on these lines to access more options. Now, tap on the gear icon to enter the Contacts settings page. On this page, you will see several options listed. Look for an option called Trash. It might not be enabled by default, so ensure that you toggle on the switch next to Trash if it isn't already activated. Once activated, your device will keep deleted contacts for up to 30 days. After enabling the Trash feature, go back. Tap on the 3 lines at the top left corner. This time, you should see Trash listed among your options. Tap on it to view your recently deleted contacts. Here you'll find a list of all contacts that have been deleted within the last 30 days. To restore one or multiple contacts, simply tap Edit at the top right corner. Select each contact or multiple contacts that need restoration. Once selected, look for the Restore button, located at the bottom left corner, and tap it. And just like that, the selected contacts will be restored back onto your main contact list. Restoring deleted contacts from your recycle bin is quick and straightforward with these simple steps. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.